Hey guys, today I want to walk you through the process of getting ready for bed and going to sleep and catching some Z's while you have extensions. Okay, there are two different ways that you can braid your hair when you're about to go to sleep. I'm not much of a braider myself, so this is not any complicated braid as like actual braiding. You can just do this very simply, and your best like instructor and like best teacher would be some like random YouTube videos, to be honest with you. So I have my hair practically like in pigtails, like I would say, but this braid is different than this braid. This is the regular, just like 3 braid. Of course, do not open your braids from the top. You want to do it from the bottom. So I've sectioned my hair in the middle and then I braided it, and I'm about to actually redo that. And this one, it's kind of like from the top all the way down. So let's redo this one more time in front of you guys. All right, so the most important thing about the time that you're about to go to sleep is brushing. I'm having weft extensions, so that's why I'm using my Flex wet brush. It's very easy, and like it's very easy to go through the hair. Always you want to brush from the bottom, make sure there's no tangles out, and depending on how many rows you have or what type of method you have, if you have fusion extension, you want to get your Red Lynx brush to where like it's totally kind of go through your hair from like scalp down. From this, it's a little bit different, but you want to lift your wefts or your rows and brush above and underneath. Definitely what helps is having just like a clip. Generally these crocodile clips, they are awesome because they hold a lot of hair in like even one clip. So you section out your hair, you put one up, you go down, you brush your hair, and then you do the next section down. Best practices on my end is use a little bit of an oil, leave-in conditioner or something to moisturize your ends, because when you're going to sleep, your hair is still like absorbing, like the hair, like when you put your head on a pillow and everything, the hair gets dry. There's no natural oil goes down your extensions, so you need to add oil, add moisture to the hair, otherwise the hair gets very brittle. Very little amount, just enough to kind of just moist your hair. So you want to put some in your hand, add from mid-shaft to the ends. I don't care if your hair is super fine. I don't care, like, I mean, if your hair is thicker, then you need more. So consider you need to seal your ends and prevent it from breakage and further like splitting. So you do that, and after you put your products, again, you brush so you can thoroughly distribute the oil. Another way is, if you don't want to braid, you can use a good squishy little ponytail and just put your hair like this. If you choose not to put it in a ponytail, which again, personally, I prefer doing a braid because I'm a little bit of a rough sleeper. So in the morning, I want to have much easier time with my hair. If I already styled my hair, I want to restyle it, I need to get ready to go to work, all that good stuff. So what I like to do is just kind of part my hair in the middle, and let me show you again, the regular 3 braids, it's very simple. The reason I like doing a little bit of a braid from top down, because I don't want this part to be too flat and the bottom to be a little too wavy. So I grab from right at the section, I grab one piece, a twist, and then I grab another, a twist. As I'm getting to the bottom, and like this is not a very tight braid, so practice, make it perfect, but it doesn't have to be a perfect braid. You're going to sleep. So what you want to do, just kind of don't keep your hands up, because then you're going to look like you have like ears. So hold your hand down and keep adding hair. And then as you get down to to where you have too much hair and it's not on just like there, then you just add a little bit more, braid all the way down. It doesn't need to be a tight braid, again, keep that in consideration. I'm using Ginger and Ivy's little ponytails here, and I loosen up this braid a little bit because I don't want creases. And other side, I do the same thing and I open, or again, if any of you guys have a little bit of a challenge with braiding, just take a simple 3 braid. That's all. So that's all you need to do. You do definitely want to get a satin pillowcase. I promise you, you won't regret it. It is amazing. It's great for your skin and it's great for the hair because it reduces the friction between your hair and the pillow. So don't ever, ever, ever go to bed with wet hair. Wet hair increase the chances of damage to your natural hair, extensions and everything. You want your hair 80-90% dry. And this way, when you wake up, open up your hair and you're ready to go. You might need to maybe straighten the bang piece or something. Or if you like the hair fully done, then you can put a couple of waves and finish it. Other than that, that's all. And when your extensions is just fresh and you just had to move up, it's a lot closer to the scalp. You want to definitely avoid high buns or high ponytail. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, I'll see you later.